Guys, good morning. Welcome to my another vlog. Guys, andito kami ng anak ko. So, samahan nyo kami mag-exercise sa park. Kasi naboboring na ang bata. So, let's go guys. Samahan nyo kami. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa video namin today. Playground?
Jump. 1, 2, 3. You want to drink water? Wow! Wow! Oh, skirt exercise.
Drink water. No?
Dirty. Go home na?
Go down na. Okay, go. It's a bird. You scared the bird? Oh, where you want to go? Be careful. We'll wash your hand later, huh? Go, go up. Go up now. Go up now. What's dirty naman eh? Stand up na. Stand up. Ready? Get set. Go. Come on.
No, I can't take it.
Come here na.
No, I got ticket. It's a happen together.
Let's go. Mommy's right here.
No, I got to start a light here.
What?
It's light. Oh, it's light. Oh, it's light. Oh, it's light.
Come here na.
It's light.
Slide? You not like slide?
No, it's light.
No? Ready? Get set? Go! Ah! Wow! Very good. Let's go na. What? Nakita ang sisi.
What antidote? That I can feel right. Yay!
Yun na.
Mommy.
Gidi, 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 gidi. Gidi, gidi, gidi.
Mommy.
You scared? We're going home.
Where?
Well, let's go. It's a bird, oh.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
We will buy ice cream. Let's go. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It's too hot na, anak.
Mom, I oh, big.
Wait.
A balloon. A balloon.
It's dirty, the balloon. We will buy na lang later.
I have a balloon. I'm gonna put a balloon. But did you have a balloon?
Oh, get ready. Mommy will run.
Balloon. We get a balloon. And a gun balloon. Have a balloon. But get a balloon.